The DirecTV Stream blue screen issue is a common problem that can leave your streaming device frozen or stuck in endless boot loops. While frustrating, this issue is often resolvable with the right troubleshooting steps. The blue screen issue manifests in several ways. Your DirecTV Stream device may display a solid blue screen and become completely unresponsive, get stuck in continuous restart loops, or freeze during the boot process without reaching the home screen. Several factors can trigger the blue screen issue. Firmware corruption from incomplete updates, device overheating due to poor ventilation, unstable network connections during boot, and inconsistent power supply are the most common culprits. The most effective immediate solution is a hard reset, which resolves about 70% of blue screen cases. First, unplug your DirecTV Stream device and wait at least 30 seconds. This allows all capacitors to discharge completely. Next, while holding the reset button if your device has one, plug the power cord back in. The reset button is usually a small, recessed button on the back or side of the device. Finally, wait 2 to 3 minutes for the device to complete its full boot cycle. Do not interrupt this process, as the device needs time to reinitialize all its systems properly. If the blue screen appeared after a software update, try a network reset. This method is particularly effective for connectivity-related boot issues that occur during the update process. For persistent blue screen issues, a factory reset may be necessary. This method has an 85% success rate but requires complete device reconfiguration. Access recovery mode through specific button combinations during startup. These troubleshooting methods resolve most DirecTV Stream blue screen issues. Start with the hard reset for immediate problems, try network reset for post-update issues, and consider factory reset only when other methods fail. Most users find success with these basic troubleshooting steps. Proper physical setup is crucial for preventing DirecTV Stream blue screen issues. Your device needs adequate ventilation and proper placement to avoid overheating problems. Network stability is essential for preventing blue screen issues. A wired Ethernet connection provides the most reliable performance, but optimized Wi-Fi can also work effectively. Regular maintenance prevents many blue screen issues before they occur. Establishing a routine maintenance schedule will keep your device running smoothly. Proactive monitoring and proper power protection can prevent hardware failures that lead to blue screen issues. Use surge protectors and monitor your device's temperature regularly. DirecTV is continuously improving their technology to reduce blue screen issues. Cloud-based solutions, better hardware thermal management, and enhanced remote diagnostics are making these problems less common.